Budge Studios presents a new original adventure, Everrun. Welcome to Everbloom Forest, an enchanted and wonder-filled place, and home to the Guardians of Everbloom. These are 8 brave and noble horses who protect the Everbloom tree, the source of all the world's magic. But after a devastating storm scattered its magical petals all across the lands, the Guardians must race against time, return the petals to the tree, and bring the forest back to life. Gather the Guardian horses and race as far as you can through distant lands to save the Everbloom Forest. Everrun, available now.